Hey guys, welcome to my channel OMG Online Money Goals. So today I'll be reviewing Teespring, which is an online platform to sell your designs on various products and earn money. So this is the website and the products listed in the homepage are designed by individual artists. The products that are going really well will be showing up in the bestseller list or in some category in homepage. Can you see there are lots of designs which are the best sellers shown in the homepage. So if you're creating a huge selling design, then your design will also be listed in this. You can design anything. See, look at the designs. It's all actually based upon your creativity. You can refer lots of designs from this and create your own. So yeah, I have already created an account, so I'm not doing those steps now. I'll be directly logging in. If you're new to this platform, create your account and integrate PayPal or Payoneer, an account to receive your money actually. So yeah, let's get started. They have already ready-made templates for all the products they are selling. So like you just have to upload your design and see, you have lots of products starting from hoodies, t-shirt, tank tops, pillow, towel, wall tapestry, die cut stickers, etc. N number of see, you have leggings, you have socks, you have kids wear. See, I told you like pillows and wall tapestry. You have custom stickers, die cut stickers, and so much more. You can even design your own phone case, mobile case. Samsung or iPhone only have two designs available right now. So in this I'm going to start with die cut stickers for now. See, this is the template and I already made a design, so I'll be uploading it. If you guys want to know how I make my design using Photoshop and Illustrator, please let me know in the comments below, so I'll be happy to make another video about it. So yeah, I have uploaded an image. This is showing up in the designs tab where I can adjust the scale, background or whatever, I can add text, I can resize it. But in die cut stickers, in die cut stickers alone, you should upload the image without background. Like it should be a PNG image without background. I will now look at it in the preview. Sorry guys, my internet is slow. See, this is the preview. This is how it will look when it gets printed out and delivered. See, it's looking good, right? This is how it will look, your die cut sticker. And it's done. This is how it will look when you print it and cut it. Adjust the rate of it according to your profit margin. You have to adjust it, like how much money you want to get from that product. Now proceed to next. Here I have an option to upload this same design on multiple products according to the size of my design, according to the size of the design, like the amount of pixels available in that design. It will just show me the products which it can actually fit now. Why I'm saying this is because, can you see I don't have an option to upload my design on t-shirts or hoodies. That is because it requires very high image pixel size of your artwork. Hence I'm uploading on something that fits well with this design. I'm choosing what can I choose? So I'm a bit confused, but if you are okay, you can choose anything. Now I'm choosing pillowcase, so I'll be editing with the same steps that we have followed for the die cut stickers. I'll be uploading the same design. I'll be uploading to front and back both the sides. You actually have that option. Can you see that? Front and back. If you click on the front, it will show you how the image is going to reflect on the front side of the pillow, and when you click on the back, it will show you how it is reflecting on the back side. You even have another option where you can choose your background color. Like, not only this flower design, you can also choose your color which if you like, you can give it to your background. The whole pillow will be in one color and your design will be in the center, like something like that. So the best thing like about Teespring is that they give you a store and product templates to upload and adjust your design or artwork, and they also have take all the printing process and logistics, so that you just have to upload your designs and make it a little bit attractive to get the sales and earn your margin. See, I told you, right? The background color, you can adjust it according to your design. If you want to choose any color behind your image, your design, you can actually choose from this. These are all like non-copyrighted. You won't get banned out of this site for using these colors and text. So it's a good option. You can actually, if you want, you can choose now if you have forgotten to add a color behind your design. It's actually a good idea if you have so many number of colors available for your design, so that people, if some likes blue, they can choose a t-shirt or a hoodie with a blue color, and if someone likes it in pink color, they can choose it like that. So better keep a lot of number of options to people to choose your design in various colors. It will be nice. So same steps, I'll be editing my profit margin. And yeah, so next one, I'll be editing iPhone case. So same procedures I'll be following. I'll be editing the image, and I'll be doing the same steps for the iPhone case also. See, same background color is available for iPhone case also. It's actually available for each and every product on this website. It's actually a good way. You can actually start earning money with your own designs. It will be nice reflecting your design on someone else, designing your own designs for your store. It will be nice when people wear it. So that's it, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon so that you'll get notified whenever I upload a video. And yeah, coming to this one, I'll be editing the background color. Now I have done my designs, and the last step, guys, this one is like you have to now proceed and add your title and description, and also check out for available URL. URL is something, URL is something like your product's unique URL, which you will be sharing in social media or wherever you can, so that your product will be easily identified. When the URL is redirected, your product will be shown. And just type in a description that attracts your customers. I'm just typing a bit. In the main thing is like you should not tell people that you are giving this much of discount, or you should not tell people like, you should not spam anything, you should not give any number in the description. That's the important point in this. So never ever use that. Guys, mine is literally boring, but you frame the sentence as much as attractive as possible so that people will click on and buy your products. So don't make it like mine, because mine is like, pretty normal. So voila, your product is ready. Now you can actually publish it. It is as much easier as possible actually. You don't have to worry about shipping it to your customers, or you don't have to worry about printing quality, product quality. You don't have to worry about anything. That's it. It will just take some few minutes time to publish it to your store. It will take time. Until then, if you like the video, please subscribe, share and give us a thumbs up. That will be a great motivation for us to do more videos. See, now it is published. Now you can share this with your group or Facebook page, Pinterest or any social media, and let people or your fans know about your new release. I have already created a storefront and have uploaded few designs. You can also create multiple storefronts if you want. So as far as the review, it's legit and quite good. If you have good amount of interest in artwork, it will be satisfying. You can earn money if you properly market it. Good platform and not like Redbubble, seriously. I will tell you about my experience and hate story with Redbubble in next video. Comment below your experience. Let me know how Teespring is with you, and also comment below if you want anything else to be reviewed. Until then, bye, and we'll meet you at the next video.